but we're stuck in the 60s, if not close to 70 Friday afternoon, and it's for good reason. Friday is going to be a very active day of weather beginning around lunchtime, lasting dangerously through the overnight while you're trying to sleep and extending into Saturday morning. What are we talking about here? We're talking heavy rain, torrential downpours, embedded strong thunderstorms. Not just one round, but several rounds. And these rounds of active weather comb through the same areas over and over again, beginning lunchtime Friday. This is Saturday morning, and you'll notice that the action hasn't stopped. We don't start to thin out the showers until Saturday afternoon, giving way to a much nicer Sunday. Rainfall totals with this event, a widespread 1 to 3+ inches. Localized amounts of 3 to 4+ inches. I know it sounds like a lot in a short amount of time, but we can't rule out that possibility as it may lead to flash flooding. The greatest risk for flash flooding across northern New York, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, and southern Quebec. Within this yellow shaded area, that's where you need to have the ringer all the way up on your phone so that you can receive and hear those severe weather alerts and maybe emergency alerts overnight Friday into Saturday as that flash flood risk grows. Later Saturday into Sunday, we are drying out. Sunday looks nice. Monday, if you're a summer weather fan, we're back to near 90.